Alright guys, what's going on? This is a unboxing video of this case I've purchased from Amazon. This is the CoolerMaster Elite 110. It's a ITX size desktop PC case. And I'm going to be building a pfSense box router into it. Well, actually a computer, but it's going to be used as a router. Pretty much it's one of the cheapest ITX cases about. Now this is the model with no power supply included, so we haven't got these checked on the box. There's our features. It's a mini cube with simplistic mesh front panel design, which is quite nice looking. Liquid cooling support. You can put a 120mm radiator in here. You've got full size power supply support and graphics cards up to 210mm or 21cm. There's storage for up to 3 hard drives or 4 SSDs, which are 3.5-inch drives or 2.5-inch SSDs, and a dual super speed USB 3.0 connector outlet on the side here, along with the headphone and microphone jacks and the power and reset buttons. That's about everything for the box. There's some more detailed specifications here. If you'd like to pause the video and read over them, feel free to. And that's pretty much it for the box. Let's have a look at the case. Right, as we can see, I've got the case here. Let's pull it out. Then we've also got the paperwork here. This is the installation guide for building a computer into it, I imagine. Let's get this out of the way. Pull these sides off. Get after the wrapper. Awesome. We've got the power button. That's the CoolerMaster logo there. There's a nice mesh finish on the front. It seems quite decently built. Seems quite well built. CoolerMaster cases usually are. There's the power supply extension bracket, so you can fit longer power supplies in. Let's just pull the lid off. What's also a good thing about this case is the RIP PCI slots. It has 2 of, so you can install a decently powerful graphics card in, a 2-slot card, and you can fit a nice big power supply in as well with the extension bracket. So you could build quite a powerful gaming PC in here. Alright, there's the top off. We've got that mesh inside. Put that out of the way. There's our drive mounting bays. The wires and screws and stuff are all tied off to the side here. And then we've got our cables inside, which we have headers for USB 3. We've got a USB 2 header on there as well as the USB 3 one. Then we've got HD audio and AC97 audio headers. And then we've got the power buttons and things. What I like about this is the USB 2 headers for the USB 3 ports as well. So if your motherboard doesn't support USB 3, like this board I'm going to be putting in doesn't, I can plug in the USB 2 header and they'll still work. Also, you've got a choice for older motherboards, AC97 audio or the HD audio that pretty much most boards that you're going to put in here will use. Almost forgot to include this then, but here's the side panel. We've got the reset button, a hard drive LED, a headphone jack, microphone jack, 2 USB 3.0 or 2.0 depending on your motherboard headers, and I think that's space for another USB header there, but it's not actually present. Power switch is the CoolerMaster logo here, and all in all it's a very nice case. All in all the case seems well built, it's quite strong. I mean it does give a bit, but for the money it seems a very nice and well put together case. I'm happy with it. We've also got an included fan here, which is on Molex's, and you can take those off as well if you like and have it on a 3-pin connector. There's lots of mounting options everywhere. If you'd like to see my build video on it, please do check that out on my channel. It's a pfSense box put together, and then it'll be put on a BT Infinity fibre connection, 80 down 20 up. thanks for watching the video anyway, and please subscribe for more future videos if you're interested in this sort of thing. Thanks for watching.